What if you could become your own bank, unlock financial freedom, and grow your wealth tax-free? It sounds incredible, but is infinite banking right for you? Infinite banking uses a specially designed whole life or indexed universal life insurance policy to create a personal banking system. It allows you to grow your savings tax-free, borrow against your cash value, and keep your money compounding, even while you use it. But while the benefits are clear, it's not the right fit for everyone. So, who benefits most? Entrepreneurs, for one. They often need quick access to capital for investments or business growth. And infinite banking provides flexibility without relying on traditional loans. High-income earners also benefit. If you're looking for tax-advantaged growth or a way to diversify your investments, infinite banking offers a safe, long-term strategy. Families with big goals, like funding a child's education, appreciate the liquidity and growth it offers. And retirees, or those nearing retirement, use it to supplement income or preserve wealth. That said, it's not for everyone. If your finances are tight or you need short-term gains, infinite banking may not be the best option. It's a long-term strategy that requires consistent funding to build value over time. Ask yourself, do I have the financial stability to commit? Am I looking for tax-free growth while keeping my funds accessible? Do I want a reliable tool to support major life goals? Infinite banking can provide unmatched financial flexibility and peace of mind, but only if it aligns with your needs. If this sounds like something worth exploring, book a free consultation today to see if infinite banking is the right fit for you.